Hey everyone, in this today's video I'll show you how to link two family trees on Ancestry so you can connect relatives across both trees. First of all, log into ancestry.com and open the first tree where you want to make the connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet first of all and open the ancestry.com in the browser, or you can simply open the application. Then first of all, add a person. Find the person you want to link and click add family member. You will get option to add a parent, spouse or child. First of all, find the person you want to add. Then you can add their mother, father and their parents. You can search from here by name. Then link to existing person. Instead of creating a new person, select someone from your tree, then search for the matching individual that already exists in your second tree. This way both trees share the same person. And last step is to confirm link. Once you confirm, the two trees will be connected through that shared individual. Any updates to that person will appear in both places. And that's it, you have linked two trees together on Ancestry. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick genealogy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.